Hi there, Robbie Susan Chandler here, an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Quincy, Florida, right outside Tallahassee, Florida. And today I want to share this great Valentine, birthday, Father's Day, whatever you want it to be, card with you. It was a huge hit at my card classes, and we used it for a Valentine's Day card, but today I think I'm going to make it a birthday card, but it can also be Father's Day. But let me show you how cool it is. The front is a Z fold, and the front has the tools and Happy Valentine's Day, and you open it up and it says you are loved beyond measure, and here we have the little tape measure. I think this is the coolest card and everybody loved it. So let's take a look at how we put this together. Okay, we have a lot of pieces here, so let's start with the base. And the base is basic black, and it's 11 by 4 1/4, and it's scored at 5 1/2, which is the middle, and then 2 3/4, which is halfway between the middle and the end. And you know, when you have your regular cardstock, you can cut it in half and you'll have enough supplies here for 2 cards. So here's your base, and it simply folds in half, and then you fold this flap back, and then you have your Z-fold card base. Alright, and onto this piece we have some designer series paper, and this is called the Trusty Toolbox Designer Series paper, and it's a celebration set. And this piece I wanted to use because of the tape measure, because to me it looked like measurements, and we had a little discussion at class about does it go this way or this way, and we decided it goes this way because then the numbers like 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inches are written there. So this piece goes here. And then over on this side is another piece out of the same pack of paper, the Trusty Toolbox Designer Series paper, and this piece is 4 by 2 1/2, and it lays right here on our front flap, just like that. Okay, and then let's see, what else do we need? Okay, this front piece right here, that starts with a piece of basic black. Let me get this out of the way. Starts with a piece of basic black that's 3 by 4, layered with a piece of real red that's 3 3/4 by 2 3/4, and then I took a piece of crumb cake that was 3 3/4 by 2 1/4 and cut the pegboard with the die. Here's the die from the Trusty tool set, and this, I might as well go ahead and show you these dies. And these are all the ones that I use for my tools. And here's the pencil. See, this is where the pegboard comes from. So these are all the dies for the tools. And then the stamp set is called Trusty Tools, and it's got all of those in there too. So, and there's the pencil. So we'll get to those in a minute. So these 3 you adhere together, and you end up with this piece. So far I have our measurement down, our little screwdriver piece, and then this piece that goes on the front right here. Okay, in fact, why don't we just go ahead and glue that piece down. So I'm just going to try to figure out, I'm going to center it more or less there, and I'm going to put my adhesive just on this side. Now remember, you only want it on one side. Don't get it on the back of this side or your card will be a mess, just a mess. So this piece goes here, so you can use the measuring lines to line it up to get it down there straight. Okay, now let's work on the front a little bit more. So I stamped, here are my tools and my pencils. Alright, this one, this wrench, doesn't have a stamp. It just cuts with the die, so that piece you don't have to do any stamping on it. And then the pencil you cut, and it has a piece to color it on the inside, but I just stamped it on yellow like the old number 2 pencils we used to use in school, and just stamped the design on it. And then my tools, I stamped one in red and one on smoky slate of both of these, and then I cut off the top and adhered, well, I'll show you here. I cut the handles off and adhered it to the gray base. So you have the red handle on this one, and I did the same thing for the hammer. Cut the top part off So I just cut this part off and then adhere the two together and got this. So here are my two finished pieces for my tools after stamping on these two colors and cutting them and putting them together. So let's put those on our card front, and I use dimensionals for that. So here is the hammer over on this side. Just pop him down there, and I put this wrench right in the middle, like right there. And then the adjustable wrench I'll put down over on the right side. You know, you can put these in any order you want, any way you want, if you want to angle them or make it look more messy, but I kind of wanted it to look like they were hanging from the pegboard. And then here's my pencil. I'm just going to put a little dab of glue somewhere on it. And I just kind of stuck it, let's say, just down in here somewhere. No place in specifically, just let it lay there with the rest. And then on the front, I cut a piece of smoky slate with the die from Wonderful Thoughts. It's this die. And on the front of my card I had Happy Valentine's Day, but today we're going to make it a birthday card, and that stamp is Go To Greetings. It's the happy birthday from that one. Now the Valentine one I used is a retired one, and it's the one called Sweet Conversations. It was this one right here, and I needed a long skinny one. That's why I used that one. So let's just pop this one down. And I tried to get my dimensionals, and I hope I did, so that they fall between the tools, and then the ends just lay right up there on the tools. There we go. Okay, so there's the front. Now let's look at the inside. We have two pieces. One is black, basic black, and it's 4 inches by 2 1/4. And we have a white piece that's 3 3/4 by 2 inches. And on this I stamped the tape measure from the Trusty tools. And in perennial postage is this great saying, "You are loved beyond measure," which I think went perfect with the tape measure. And I stamped it in real red. So here's this piece done. Here's "You are loved beyond measure." Now I colored my tape measure with smoky slate, and let's see, this one is dark cherry cobbler, and then I used dark daffodil delight. And this one is actually the light smoky slate. So I used those three to color this. And some people got real creative and wrote the word Stanley on theirs and made it look like the real deal. I thought it was really cute. Alright, so let's put this piece down, and what I like to do to get it centered behind my front piece so it doesn't show, let's put a little glue on here. I like to lay it, to make sure I have it right side up, I like to lay it right behind where that piece would be, just like that, and then just fold this piece over, press real good, and I can come back and see it's hidden. I want to make sure it's straight with the Tombow. I got a little wiggle room, and there it is. So how do you like that card? Isn't it cool? And like I said, it can be birthday, it can be Valentine, it could be Father's Day. It's a really great set, this Trusty tools, the dies and the stamps. And remember, if you order this bundle, I'm not sure the price, but it's probably over $50 or right at $50, and that would qualify you for the free celebration paper, because the paper is in the celebration catalog and it's free with a $50 order. So I hope you like this card. We'll try to make it yourself. Please like my video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And if you need a demonstrator, I would love to be your demonstrator. So until next time, happy crafting!